we're out here today in front of the shop working on the boats. Sad day, we're winterizing the boats. Didn't really get time to test out my weight reduction about the new battery. So we're gonna get this thing ready for storage over the winter. I'm gonna pull the bimini top off, which I already pulled the screws out. Going to get the battery out of it just because I don't want my new fancy battery to go dead over the winter time. And I'm gonna get some antifreeze put in this thing. This one's pretty easy. I think what I did last time is you just hook up a hose to this hole here, blow air through it, most of the water will come out, and then I just pour some antifreeze in that hose until it comes out the jet, I think. I don't know, it'll come out somewhere. And then we're gonna work on the Chris Craft. Not working on this one, that's my dad's boat. We're gonna work on this one, try to get some antifreeze in the motor. Mainly concerned about the manifolds because boy, those are expensive. Not sure exactly how you winterize the LS with the open loop cooling system because there's no drain plugs on the side of the block to get the water out, but I'll get as much water out as I can, then I'll just fill it up with antifreeze till it comes out down here or up there, wherever it comes from. But yeah, I'm gonna get started, get the bimini top off so I can get to the battery and get these hatches open and get started on it. Okay, after losing or not being able to find my old hose, I finally found enough pieces to make a new one that goes in there. I blew some air through there. You can see the water's dripping out of the jet and of the exhaust. So now we're going to pour some antifreeze down the funnel until hopefully we see some pink liquids dripping out. Who could have seen that happening? I'm gonna hold that with 2 hands now and we'll try it again. All right, we got pink liquids coming out of everywhere, mostly leaking out around this hose fitting because it's not tight enough. But I'm satisfied with that, so we're gonna be done with this one for now until we take the battery out, and then we'll work on the big boat. All right, I got this one as full of antifreeze as you can get. I just ran it through until it was pretty much the same color coming out as it was going in, and we're gonna hope that's enough. I didn't film it because of how well it worked on the other boat, but you can rest assured I did make a mess in there too. So this one is good for now. I'm not going to cover it because I don't have the cover for it yet. I'm going to work on this little boat here, get the cooler off of it, trolling motor off. They're just going to sit down here on the floor and get the batteries unhooked, so hopefully they don't go dead over the winter. And I've got the cover for this one, so we're going to get it all ready for winter time. All right, got the decks all stripped down. I don't know if that's what you'd call it, but there's nothing else on here. So now I'm gonna get the cover out, and I'm also probably gonna put something across the boat, maybe with a tripod type of thing to try to keep water from collecting on here, because I don't have good luck with that. I thought my stick steer would work for that, but it does not. All right, we got this one covered up finally. It's dark, as you can see by the lights are on. Sorry if the video looks like garbage. Looks like I got a little speedboat under here because I got a bunch of wooden T's put under there to try to keep water from pooling. I'm sure first time it rains, it'll find somewhere it can collect. But yeah, so that's really boring, but it had to be done. So boats are pretty much winterized, and that's probably going to do it for this video. I know it's short, sorry about that. I just haven't had much time to do anything else, so we'll get this one put away, wait for the cover for the other boat, and we'll get it put away also. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let us know if there's any of the cars you want to see on the channel, because now that the boats are put away, we've got the Suburban, the El Camino, there's an Impala in there somewhere. Anything you want to see us work on, let us know, and we might be able to do that. So we'll see you in the next one.
Oh, she's moving it. Got your wheels, there you go. I don't know where our mark's at. What was that?
I just started digging in, but that's not.
Yeah.
See if we needed to add any fill or anything over there.